Exoplanets, worlds beyond our own. What is an exoplanet? An exoplanet, or extrasolar planet, is a planet that orbits a star other than our Sun. The first possible evidence of an exoplanet was noted in 1917, but it was not until 1995 that the first exoplanet was definitively confirmed. Since then, over 5,000 exoplanets have been discovered, and new ones are being found all the time. How are exoplanets discovered? There are a number of different ways to discover exoplanets. The most common method is the transit method, which involves looking for dips in the brightness of a star as an exoplanet passes in front of it. Another common method is the radial velocity method, which involves looking for small wobbles in the star's motion caused by the gravitational pull of the exoplanet. What are the different types of exoplanets? Exoplanets can be classified into a number of different types, depending on their size, mass, and composition. Some of the most common types of exoplanets include gas giants. These are planets that are made up mostly of gas, such as Jupiter and Saturn. Super-Earths, these are planets that are larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. Mini-Neptunes, these are planets that are smaller than Neptune but larger than Earth. Terrestrial planets, these are planets that are made up mostly of rock, such as Earth and Mars. Are there any exoplanets that could be habitable? Yes, there are a number of exoplanets that have been discovered that could be potentially habitable. This means that they have the right conditions for liquid water to exist on their surface, which is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. Some of the most promising exoplanets for habitability include Kepler 186f. This is a super-Earth that orbits in the habitable zone of its star. Proxima b. This is an Earth-sized planet that orbits in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. TRAPPIST 1e. This is an Earth-sized planet that orbits in the habitable zone of its star. Are there any exoplanets that we can see directly? Yes, there are a small number of exoplanets that have been imaged directly. This is a very difficult thing to do, because exoplanets are much fainter than the stars they orbit. However, new telescopes and technologies are making it possible to image more and more exoplanets directly. What is the future of exoplanet research? The future of exoplanet research is very bright. New telescopes and technologies are being developed all the time that will allow us to discover more exoplanets, learn more about their atmospheres, and even search for signs of life. One of the most exciting areas of exoplanet research is the search for Earth-like planets in the habitable zones of their stars. If we can find such a planet, it will be a major step in our quest to find life beyond Earth. Exoplanets are one of the most exciting areas of astronomical research today. We are still learning a lot about them, but they have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The most massive exoplanet ever discovered is Kepler 189b. It is about 10 times the mass of Jupiter. The smallest exoplanet ever discovered is Kepler 37b. It is about 0.3 times the size of Earth. The hottest exoplanet ever discovered is KELT 9b. It has a surface temperature of over 4,300 degrees Celsius. The coldest exoplanet ever discovered is OGLE 2016 BLG 1195lb. It has a surface temperature of about -223 degrees Celsius. The most distant exoplanet ever discovered is Earendel. It is located about 12.9 billion light-years from Earth. Exoplanets are a diverse and fascinating group of objects. They are still a relatively new area of research, but we are learning more about them all the time. With the help of new telescopes and technologies, we hope to one day discover an exoplanet that is truly Earth-like and potentially habitable. Exoplanets are one of the most exciting areas of astronomical research today. We are still learning a lot about them, but they have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Imagine a world where we are no longer alone in the universe. Imagine a world where we have discovered other planets that are capable of supporting life. This is the world that exoplanets offer us. Some of these exoplanets are Earth-sized and orbit in the habitable zones of their stars. This means that they could potentially support life on their surfaces. One day, we may even be able to travel to exoplanets and explore them firsthand. But even if we never do, the study of exoplanets will continue to teach us new things about the universe and our place in it. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there are other worlds out there. Worlds that are different from our own, but worlds that are just as fascinating and mysterious. Stay updated with the latest discoveries in astronomy and space science. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and let's explore the universe together.